Kubikwa ukuthi abasolwa basuke esikhumulweni sezindiza i-OR Tambo International belandela umuntu obesuka kulesi sikhumulo behamba ngemoto yohlobo lweSuzuki Swift number plate yomgunyathi.
That vehicle that was following an unsuspecting victim was followed by the team, and as and when it got here, when they realized that the police were following them, then they started shooting at the police. Then the police responded, and then 4 of the suspects are fatally shot, and then 1 has been taken to hospital under police guard with a gunshot wound.
Lesi akusona isigameko sokuqala sobugebengu balolu hlobo.
Early this month, there was also an arrest of 2 people who were arrested with the same modus operandi, but with that incident there was no shootout. Then the 2 suspects were arrested. They're still in court as we speak. Their bail was denied.
Nakuba iUville ingezinye zezindawo ezikhungethwe ubugebengu eGoli, kodwa isigameko salolu hlobo bekungesokuqala.
The surrounding areas are mostly very dangerous. I don't know about hijackings, but I know mostly about the petty crimes because I've been a victim of one of those. But it's a first for us to see something like this.
Abasolwa batholakale nezibhamu ezingekho emthethweni kanye nezinhlamvu, kanti ke izibhamu zisayohlolwa ukuze kutholakale ukuthi azithinteki yini kobunye ubugebengu.